Get beautiful salon results at home with Veet EasyWax electrical roll-on. It is an easy-to-use heated wax system that helps give you smooth skin. Made with the same ingredients as salon wax, it removes short hair right from the roots, allowing you to enjoy up to 4 weeks of smoothness. To begin, place the wax refill into the EasyWax unit and plug into the socket. The red light means the wax is being heated for use. Ensure your skin is completely clean and dry to allow the wax to be most effective. After 20 minutes, it should be ready. The wax must roll out smoothly and evenly. If the wax is still dragging, warm it up for another 10 minutes. And test the wax on one of the strips or on a small area of the skin. Now you're ready to start waxing. Roll the wax in the direction your hair grows and you'll see a very thin layer coming out. That means that even the shortest hairs should be removed. Now, smooth the strips over the wax in the direction the hair grows. Take a deep breath and be brave. Stretch your skin tight, grip the bottom of the strip and pull back as swiftly as you can against the direction the hair grows. The faster you pull, the more hair you remove. After waxing, clean your skin with a Perfect Finish wipe. It beautifully moisturises your skin and leaves a radiant sheen. For use on trickier areas, such as underarms and the bikini line, we recommend using the specific smaller headed refill. For best results on your underarms, remember that the hairs grow in 2 directions. Therefore, you will have to do them in 2 stages. And for your bikini zone, it's best to only wax a small area at a time. This allows you to get better precision. All done! You're now ready to go. Veet EasyWax leaves your skin soft and smooth for up to 4 weeks. You can enjoy salon wax results in the comfort of your home.